In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Squarespace. Whether you're a seasoned Squarespace user or someone just starting out, understanding navigation is key to building a clean and functional website. So let's dive in and take it step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to the Squarespace website. If you're new to Squarespace, you can easily find it by typing Squarespace into your preferred search engine. Once you're on the site, the next thing you want to do is click on the button that says Get Started. This is your gateway to creating and managing your website on Squarespace. After you click Get Started, you will be routed to your dashboard. This is your control center, where you'll be handling most of your website building tasks. From here, go ahead and select Website and then Pages. This step is crucial as it leads you to the area where you can start structuring your site's content. In your Pages panel, you'll notice a plus sign icon. This is what you'll use to add new pages. It's a really straightforward process. Simply click the plus sign, and a new page will be created. Should you decide a page is no longer necessary, you can remove it just as easily by deleting it. Want to rearrange the order of your pages? Squarespace makes this simple too. Use the drag and drop feature within the Pages panel to adjust the sequence as you see fit. This is particularly useful for ensuring that visitors can easily find the most important parts of your site. For those who have multiple related pages, creating folders can be a game changer. By grouping similar pages together, you're introducing a drop-down menu into your navigation. Not only does this tidy up your navigation bar, but it also enhances user experience by keeping things organized. Now let's talk about editing the header, adding and removing elements, and styling navigation links. These tasks allow you to personalize the look and feel of your navigation to better reflect your brand. Spend some time experimenting with different styles to find what suits your website best. Finally, once you're satisfied with all your changes and your website's navigation looks just right, don't forget to click the Save button. It's a simple yet important step to ensure all your hard work is preserved. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to navigating Squarespace. With these skills, you'll have the foundation you need to build a professional and efficient website. Thank you for joining me today, and happy Squarespace navigating.